Okay, so we're going to talk about the properties of logarithms. There are three main properties. There's the product rule, which says if I have two numbers multiplied, I can actually split so they're added. So for example, log base 6 of 7 times 11, which is obviously 77, could be split like this. And your calculator will put parentheses on it. You don't need to put parentheses, but just so you know. This one, it will show the actual reason we do this. Because I can split it like this, right? But log of 100, well, remember log, if it doesn't have a base, is assumed to be base 10. So 10 to the 100, 10 to what power is 100? 2. So this allows us to simplify if we can break them down like this. Another property is the quotient rule. Just like multiplication leads to adding, subtracting, or division leads to subtraction. So log base, wow, that's a horrible 8, of 23 minus log base 8, not 2, of x. Same thing here. Once again, natural log is assumed to be base e. E's cancel. So I'd get that for an answer. Okay, the power rule changes powers to multiplication. So it takes that power, whatever it is, and drops it out front. So log base 6 of 3 to the 9th would be the same as 9 log base 6 of 3. And remember, cube roots are the same as fractional powers, so that'd be the same as that. And this one, and it would be that. Okay? So we can use this to expand small functions. So first thing, split it up into its different pieces. And then I can move my powers up front. I'd get that. Subtraction, you can do the same thing. Something to note here is some people would make this addition, but since they're both still on the division side, you'd still write them as subtractions. And if you wanted, you could actually break this one down to here, right? Because 5 squared is 25. So I'd get that. Now, we'll do the reverse. Take it and make it into one logarithm. So, like this one, log of 25 plus log of 4, that's the same as 25 times 4. So log of 100, which obviously equals just 2, because 10 to the, what power is 100 again? Subtraction the same as division, so log base 3 of those two things will be the same as that. Oh, we got more. Put the power on it. That's what you need to do first. That's a 3. It's hard to see, but it's a 3. Then the addition becomes multiplication. So I'd have that. We're going to put 25 there, assuming you're in pre-calc, you can understand that. And I got that. Okay? If you need to, you can put parentheses on that, but you don't need to, because it'll be understood. Okay? So we can use this to solve by using the change of base. So I'm going to go to the calculator, and I've already done a few of these with you. Gonna open my recent app here. So remember, to solve this, all you do, even though it's really big, it's gonna come out to a nice even number actually. You do the big number on top divided by, make sure if you do log on both, on the top, you do log on the bottom. I thought this came out even. I was wrong. So my answer would be 4.0219966154. Probably around to 3 decimals. Same thing on this one, but I don't think I need to do 2, do I? Have a good evening. Email me if you have questions. Talk to you soon.